Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Elementor and Zoho CRM. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new form submission is made in Elementor, it will automatically create a lead in Zoho CRM. Now Elementor is an awesome WordPress website builder and Zoho CRM is an excellent sales CRM tool. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Elementor to Zoho CRM. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Elementor and Zoho CRM. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Elementor and Zoho CRM. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Just click on access now. At the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Elementor to Zoho CRM. Elementor to Zoho CRM. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Elementor? Okay, this one, Elementor website builder. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new form submission? Now new form submission is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? So if a new form submission is made, then what action should be taken by the system? Now at present, there is only one trigger event, that is new form submission. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new form submission is made in website builder of Elementor. Okay, so basically what we are going to do here is, we are going to integrate Elementor to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to our WordPress. So this is my WordPress and I'm going to select this page. Okay, there is a page that I have developed called as Zoho CRM, and this page has been developed with the help of Elementor. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the page, Zoho CRM lead. Okay, so I'm just going to click on edit. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay, and edit with Elementor. Okay, so it's opening. Okay, so we are just going to click here. Okay, so scroll down and here you will find the option actions after submit. Just click this. Okay, so basically we want to add an action. So the action will be something like the webhook. So basically we want to send the data through webhook. That is why we have added the action as webhook. Okay, so after we have added the action as webhook, you will find the option called as webhook. Click this. Okay, so here you have to enter the webhook URL. So your obvious question is, where I'm going to get the webhook URL. So let's have a visit to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is your webhook URL. Okay, basically copy this and enter here. Okay, so we have entered the webhook URL. Just click on update. So basically it means that we have integrated this particular page to Pabbly Connect. So it means that whenever there is a new entry made in this particular page, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures the data, let me click on this button, capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let me go to this page. I'm going to open this in a new tab, the whole page in a new tab. I'm just going to click on view. Okay, so this is the page and imagine a person is filling the fields. So a person called as Jerry Maguire. Okay, the first name is Jerry, the last name is Maguire, and this is the email, Jerry Maguire. Okay, so this is the email, Jerry Maguire 1423@gmail.com, and the company he works is Tesla. Okay, so these are the details. Just click on send. Okay, so the form was sent successfully. Okay, so let's have a look in Pabbly Connect since it is integrated with this particular form in Elementor. Has it captured this data or not? Okay, so as you can see, the data has been captured. So the first name is Jerry, the last name is Maguire, the email is jerrymaguire1423@gmail.com, the company is Tesla. Excellent. So basically all you have to do is now sync all this detail to Zoho CRM. So to do that, all we have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as Zoho CRM? Zoho CRM. And in the action event, since we are only interested in creating a lead, let's make it as create a lead. Okay, so there are many more action events like create contact, add tag to lead, convert lead, and so on. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you want more action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a lead in Zoho CRM. Okay, so just click on connect with Zoho CRM. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Zoho CRM. Okay, so now it is demanding a domain name. So basically, let me show you my Zoho CRM. So this is my Zoho CRM. All you have to do is just copy this, okay, zoho.com. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so just click on done. Okay, so when you click on done, Pabbly Connect is demanding access to Zoho CRM. Now, before you click on accept, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, just click on accept. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a lead in Zoho CRM from the data that we have received from Elementor via Pabbly Connect. So let me introduce you to this button. This is called as the mapping button. All you have to do is just click this, and in case it's the blank is of a company, all we have to do is enter the data. The company is Tesla. Okay, easy. Similarly, in the first name, we are just going to enter the first name, that is Jerry. Now in the last name is Maguire. Okay, so we have entered the first name, the last name, the company, etc. We don't have any detail regarding the designation, so we are leaving it as empty. But we have the data regarding the email. So this is the email. No data regarding the phone number, not about the fax, mobile, website, nope, nothing. So in the lead source, how about we make it as web research, and the lead status contacted, industry, large enterprise. So now coming to this part called as annual revenue, we don't have any data regarding that, so I'm keeping it as 0. Okay, the Skype ID, nope, nothing. The street, the city, any address related details, nope, we don't have it. Now in the state, country, zip code, nothing. Okay, so basically we are satisfied with these details. All we have to do is just click on this button, save and send test request to create a lead. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to Zoho. So let's have a look in Zoho whether we have a lead called as Jerry. So let me refresh Zoho CRM. Okay. Yes, there is a guy called as Jerry Maguire, and the company he works is Tesla, and this is the email. Excellent. So the presence of this lead in Zoho CRM shows we have successfully integrated Zoho CRM and Elementor with help of Pabbly Connect. So what I'm going to do here is we are going to make one more entry in Elementor so that we can double check it. But before we do that, let me show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize my action window and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Elementor to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Zoho CRM to Pabbly Connect. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Elementor and Zoho CRM. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make one more entry. Okay, so this time the guy is Lucent. Okay, and he works in Ford Motors, and the company is of course Ford Motors. Okay, just click on send. Okay, so the form data was sent successfully. So let's have a look in Zoho CRM. So let me refresh this. Okay, yes, we have a guy called as Lucent CRM, and the company is Ford Motors, and this is the email address. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means when a new form submission happens in Elementor, it will be reflected as a lead in Zoho CRM.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.